And now, the unboxing segment. This is the segment dedicated to the unboxings of phones, tablets, watches, or any hardware device having to do with Android. And now, here's this episode's unboxing.
Now we move on to an ever popular segment, and it's an unboxing we have for you thanks to Joe Hodge, who is unboxing his Lenovo Legion Tab Gen 3.
Hey everyone, so I got the Lenovo 8-inch Tab Gen 3. I think on the Lenovo website it's called the Lenovo Gaming Tab Gen 3. So it comes in a box. I think it's got 256 gig of storage. I think it's got 12 gig of RAM, I want to say. It's also known, I think, globally as the Y700. So hopefully that will help you all find this. So it's basically Android's version of a iPad mini. I was excited to read about this on Notebook Check. I've been wanting this, eyeing this. I actually almost bought the global version for a long time through like GitStop, but I didn't want to because I wasn't sure what would be installed or what wouldn't be as far as accessibility. So they finally started carrying it in the US. They are going to come out with another version. Who knows if we're going to get that or not with these crazy tariffs. And also, I mean, they seem to be like releasing to the United States a lot lower, or a lot slower than the global market. So, basically, what you get is you get a box wrapped in plastic that I've removed, and now I just got the box here. It's got tape on each side that I'm removing, and then it's a very thick, tall box. Actually, it's like I don't know what to expect in this thing, but it's got lots of stuff in here. It seems like it's very, very tall. Much bigger than like my iPad mini box that I got. Okay, so I got the lid off. Take a little force. So in here we've got basically another cardboard type thing. It's got like a pull tab. So I'm just going to kind of lift up. And that then gets us, I see. This is actually the case. So this actually comes with a case. I heard this thing is a fingerprint magnet. Not that that really matters to me so much, but it would be, I guess, good to good. I'm glad a free case is involved. I'm never going to complain about that. In fact, I don't think I've ever gotten a device that has a case with it, to be honest with you. So this is a new experience for me. Okay, so I'm going to open that. That's like in a. Is the device actually in the box? Let's see. Nope. Okay. This just looks like a case. Case is in just a nice like plastic wrapping here. So I'm gonna into that. I assume it's got the foam and stuff in it as well. So, okay. Cardboard. Okay, so this is maybe I don't know what's it. I guess like a kickstand. It's like a. I'm not quite sure what this is. It looks like a plastic, like a holder almost, like you would. I don't know. Maybe it'll make sense to me in a second. That's in a smaller box. In the bigger box, we have. The actual case. Okay, so yeah, this is the. This is a screen protector. Okay, so we got a screen protector, and then I guess maybe this other part is just a back piece that just goes on the back of it. That's maybe what I'm thinking. And then there's a piece of paper in here. I'm not quite sure. It feels like a lot of stuff in this thing. It's quite the unboxing. It's like an envelope, so I'm going to open this up and just see. I don't know if this is like another screen protector or what. Yeah, this is just an extra screen protector. Okay, so they kind of give you two. So maybe, well, there's a tab like this would actually go over the screen. So yeah, I'm gonna have to look at that because I'm a little confused once I need to see what the device looks like. I think maybe or maybe there's more to this. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah. So I'm gonna pull out there's another thing in this box that is like the book style case. So maybe they give you options. Like I don't know if I need all of this or, but this is more what I consider like a book style case here that I have. So I'm wondering if the book sits. I'm gonna move this here. Like the idea is that you would lay this down. Like, yeah. I don't know. Anyway, we'll get to that. So inside this bookcase is a piece of paper, and we got cardboard just to kind of keep the shape of it. So I'm gonna take that out. My goodness, this is quite the package. Okay. Now, finally in the box, I'm getting down to the tablet. So I'm gonna open that up. It's, the camera bump is fairly large on it. It looks like I'm assuming. So what's kind of unique about this device is there's two USB ports. So we have one on the bottom, from when I read the review, and then one is on the left-hand side. The one, I believe on the left-hand side, I might have to pull up that review and read again, but I believe the one on the left-hand side is actually the one that is faster. One is like a Gen 2.0 and one is a 3.0, I believe. So there is a bit of a difference on the speeds and stuff. Now, one cool thing about this tablet is you are able to charge it, or sorry, plug it in and not use the battery, which is kind of cool. So this book cover is actually kind of cool. So it slips into the case just like, you know, your typical tablet would. And this cover actually has a magnet that snaps across, which is kind of cool. So I like that. Is there anything else in the box? We have our instructions, and then we have, I believe, a cable. So yep, we have a cable and charger. Okay, because this does support, I believe, fast charging of some sort. This looks like a pretty thick USB-C brick, and then we should have a C-to-C cable. Yeah, so that is pretty nifty. So let me open this up. I'm just gonna see. You know, I assume this has power. We will find out. So yeah, you really can't. So this book doesn't. The only downside of this case is like I was kind of hoping this would snap. Like the part that has like the magnet that sort of snaps, you know, everything shut, does not. However, seem to really like stay. So you kind of have like when you're holding it, it's a bit cumbersome. So I'm going to hold the power button here. This does have haptics, and it just did vibrate, so that is cool. It felt like a pretty strong haptic, which was neat. So I'm just going to get it talk back on, do the hold of the volume keys just to kind of like what Warren does typically, and just see if this works. I'll try it now. And it did vibrate.
The volume keys. To turn on TalkBack, press and hold both volume. TalkBack on.
So we got TalkBack.
Hi there. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to Talk.
I got haptics.
Welcome to
It is in
TalkBack.
landscape
Page
mode.
1 of 5.
Does it change
TalkBack
if I?
provides spoken feed. Next.
Yep, it changes back to.
Drag your finger to explore. You can also drag your finished tutorial. Finished reviewing. Keep reviewing. Finish.
All right.
Exiting split
So-
keyboard. Allow Android accessibility. Don't allow. Allow. Hi there. Language.
I will
English United States button.
come back and hopefully give you guys a review down the road. If not when you guys hear this on the podcast, but maybe in a week or so, just to kind of give a fair review. I want to kind of go through this a little bit. Look at the Lenovo operating system. I'm kind of curious to see what it looks like. I've never owned anything Lenovo on Android, so stay tuned.
Hopefully we'll be able to persuade Joe either to come on or to give us a review of that once he's played with it a little bit more. In other tablet fun, a couple of weeks ago now, I got my daughter a new tablet. We've upgraded her Samsung A8 to a Samsung A9 Plus. I think this Lenovo though is definitely a bigger beast than that.
Yeah, thank you so much, Joe. That was really nice of you. I'm not a tablet guy, but I can see where the use cases would be, and always thankful to Joe for doing these things. And hopefully, Joe, if you are listening, come on and talk about it, shall we?
That'd be great if you could.